We have this beautiful Z32 here tonight, and it came in for a noise. Based on the videos and the description and so on and so forth, it's rod knock is what it sounds like, based on everything. Now that it's here, we can troubleshoot. We didn't want to have to drop the oil pan to confirm the suspicion. Of course, there are other ways to do it, and you know, deadlifters and head problems, I guess, could also give you that sound. But what we did was we unplugged the coil pack for cylinder 6 and we revved it. For the most part, it sounds like how it's supposed to. So we're gonna plug cylinder 6 back in. So now it's on, and then we're gonna rev it again. Rod knock. So that's how you find it without dropping the oil pan.